Somebody likes to get out of the cage now. Hey? Hey, you! Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. You got seeds everywhere. But he goes and picks them up, which is kind of good. He's getting a little friendlier, I think. I think we're getting somewhere. Yeah. Oh, you're so beautiful. We should put on some music for you. Are we going to be friends? So, I got him on a Thursday. So, Thursday would have been 1 week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So, he's a week and 4 days here. And he's letting me get kind of close to him. He's running away right now because You gonna run away on me? You gonna run away? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hi. Hi, baby. Come here. Hell no. You're not coming here. Hey. Say hi to the budgies. Hi, budgies. He's been hanging out right on their cage. He likes them. He likes them. He just doesn't like me. Let's go over here and see if he wants to come over and hang out. Hey, come over. Come over here. Come on. Come over here. Just stop being a chicken. So a week and 4 days with baby / Nigel / we don't know because we don't know if it's a girl or a boy yet. He's supposedly, now he'd be, well, he's supposedly like 3 months. Do you want me to help you up? Back up to your cage? Because his cage is over there and he's trying to fly up to it and his wings are a little clipped. So, the house is a little messy. Excuse me. Hi! Hi, baby! Come here! Come here! Hey, budgies! That's my crazy budgie. He's in love with himself. I need to get everybody some cuddle bones. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Wow, my floor looks extra dirty. But it's all just seeds magnified. But at least he kind of picks them up when he walks by them. This is their corner. Look how friendly he looks now. He actually looks nicer. He did not look that friendly before. Hi, baby. Baby. Nigel. Come here, baby. Nigel. Nigel, baby. Where'd he go now? Back and forth, back and forth. I don't know where you are. There you are. Oh, look how happy he's looking. He's looking much better. He wants to try and fly up there. Oh. Oopsie. I don't know where you went. There you are. He's trying to fly up there. I've offered him a few rides, but he still doesn't want to go. Oh, you're starting to look like a cockatiel now, just not a pissed off hissy face. Hey, you don't look like a pissed off hissy face right now. What's the problem? You happy? Hey? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Sorry for singing. I'm trying to teach him jingle bells. Hey? Come on, jingle bells. Let me see if I get you some music on. He's trying to jump up there. He won't let me pick him up or put my finger out for him.
The sacrifices that I make for you don't matter.
His wings are clipped, so. I wish I should get him some stairs. I should get you some stairs. Hey? Somebody's running.
I go sit down and say, I don't care. I stay here, you don't want me in your face. I don't know what.
Do you want help up? You want help up?
Since the beginning, I've given Fernanda everything she's ever wanted. You know,
Where'd you go? There you are.
have a drink with my friends for